What is up YouTube? This is Josso360 back with a review of my Parrot A.R Drone 2.0. Just a few specs. So this thing has a 720p camera HD on the front, running at 30 frames per second. It says it has a wide angle lens. It does have a processor on board. It's only 1 GHz, but that's just to process some information sent by Wi-Fi signals. As you can see, the beam's coming off the cross structure that's made out of carbon fiber, so that should be pretty strong in a crash. We got 4 brushless motors, micro ball bearing in the motor, each motor. It's meant to be low noise, but it's really not. And it's got a few other stuff, but it's fully programmable motor controller apparently. And it's got 4 LEDs and a 3-axis gyroscope, and that's mainly it. So now I'm just connecting the device right now. So once that is done, you will connecting and open up the app. So we got piloting here, and we got the takeoff button on the bottom. We got the up and down and twist, and you got the left, right, and forward back. On the top here we got the back button to go to the menu, the battery, the settings, the Wi-Fi connectivity to your AR drone, your emergency button, your bottom camera, you got your record, and you got your picture button. So let's just take a look at my settings at the moment. So that's my AR drone name, and we've got flip enabled and all that. So make sure when you do an outdoor flight you have to have those two on, because the autopilot can compensate, and there's nothing much else. So let's just hit takeoff. As you can hear, sorry about the camera, guys. Just letting you know before I do this is a commentary because the audio in this actual video didn't turn out as good as I hoped. There goes my watch. But anyway, let's fly this drone. So let's just check this out. Zoom out a bit. Now, see, this is the main feature of it. It can stabilize the drone. It stabilizes itself. So if you take your hands completely off the controller, it will just stay there. Yeah, there we go, twisting. It's got pretty good response. It could be a bit faster, but for the size of it and the capabilities, it's pretty cool. There we go. We'll do a flip now. This is one of the main features of the AR drone. The flip on the proper app, you can go back, front, left, or right. This is a main marketing feature. This flip can be done stationary or when in movement, and it's a great way to show off your drone to your friends. There's another flip there. But if you've flown RC helicopters before, this one won't seem as like kind of responsive, but it will do a greater job at keeping it safe. Just see if I get this back on camera yet. To do a flip, well, obviously anybody would know, you would double tap the screen and it should do it. Now, flips can only be performed when your battery of the AR drone is over 30%, and the downside to a flip is that it uses about 10%, or probably not, but 5% of the battery per flip. So if you want to keep doing flips, the battery's not going to last you totally for long. But anyway, let's just keep trying this. We'll do a turn. So we'll just have a look at the landing button. So the landing button, no matter what height it is from, but you would like to do it at a kind of medium low height, it will land itself by just keeping the blades at a constant speed, and when it touches the ground, it will stop everything. A downside to the AR drone is battery life. The battery, well, it comes with one removable battery, lithium ion, and it's a 1.5 hour charge. You only get about 12 minutes average out of that. And to be honest, it's a bit iffy about whether that's enough. Even though it does have a lot of features on it, I still bought those extra batteries to compensate for like so I don't have to fly it just for 10 minutes, then go charge for 1.5 hours and come back and fly it again. So I can take this out to like a park and just go all out instead of just little joyride every now and then. Overall, this is a great RC device. It's worth its money. Other quadricopters are pretty expensive, and Parrot has done a great job to keep it how the price how it is. If you do damage it anyway, Parrot has a very extensive parts range. Some of them are kind of affordable, or Amazon you can get spare parts anyway. Um, what else to say? It's a 10 out of 10. It's a great RC product. For its features, I don't really care about the battery life. Like, what other RC or RC device has a 720p camera that live streams to a mobile device, and is a quadricopter and can record to USB. It's got a USB port, by the way. Yes, it does, so you can record directly onto that. Um, so yeah, that's mainly it. If you're really looking into buying an RC device, I reckon this is a perfect way to go. It's safe, it's fun, and it does a great job of keeping itself from not crashing. Even if you go out of signal, it will hover. So it won't just fall to the ground like other ones. But anyway, thanks for viewing, and be sure to like and subscribe.